Morning skincare routine for glowing skin, dermatologist approved. Hey everyone! Let's talk about something super important but often ignored, your morning skincare routine. A good morning routine isn't just about looking fresh, it's about protecting your skin for the entire day. And guess what? I'm going to share a dermatologist-approved routine that's simple, effective, and perfect for all skin types. Let's get into it, just 5 easy steps. Step 1. Cleanse. Start fresh. First things first. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser. This removes dirt, oil, and any bacteria that may have built up overnight. Don't use super hot water, go for lukewarm. Pro tip: use a cleanser that suits your skin type. I personally recommend Gluta White Face Wash by Pure Glow. It's gentle and leaves your skin glowing. Step 2. Tone, refresh and tighten. After cleansing, apply a toner. It helps to tighten your pores and balance your skin's pH. Make sure to choose an alcohol-free toner, something light and soothing. Apply it with a cotton pad or just tap it in with your fingers. Step 3. Serum, treat and glow. Next up, serum. This step targets your skin concerns like dullness, acne marks, pigmentation, or dryness. Use a few drops and gently press it into your skin. Serums with vitamin C or niacinamide are perfect for that morning glow. Step 4. Moisturize, lock it in. Your skin needs hydration, even if it's oily. Use a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer that locks in all the previous steps. This keeps your skin soft, smooth, and protected all day. Step 5. Sunscreen, your skin's bodyguard. Last but the most important, never skip sunscreen. Whether it's sunny, cloudy, or you're staying indoors, SPF is a must. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen, at least SPF 30 or higher. That's it. Cleanse, tone, treat, moisturize, and protect. Simple, right? But trust me, doing this every single morning will change your skin game. Try this routine for just 7 days and you'll see the glow. If you found this helpful, drop A in the comments and tag a friend who needs a skincare glow up. Stay glowing, stay confident. Don't forget to subscribe for more skin-loving tips, only on Pretty Pure Stay Glowing, or even shorter. Subscribe to Pretty Pure, where your glow begins. Thank you.